So in this video we're going to go over how Merch Automator works, how it can save you plenty of time in the uploading process for your Merch by Amazon business. Everything is powered by a CSV file. So there is a template file available when you purchase the software. If you follow the template file, you'll be good to go. It does fronts, backs of products, and front and backs also. Everything is controlled by this CSV file. So to get started, once you filled out your CSV file, you simply upload it into the software. The software will check that everything's okay, that you've got the right information in there, the images are in the right place, just so when you're submitting, everything runs smoothly and it has less or no chance of having errors. So it's uploaded that. We've got 100 products available. This example, I'm just going to do 10. So type in 10. It's going to prompt you and ask if you've selected the right marketplace. Click yes if you have. And now it's going to go off and submit. So if we have a look at what's happening in the browser window. Actually, what I'll do, I want to submit these in draft mode. So I change the settings here to save as draft. Okay, now it's going along uploading the image file. Once it's done that, it'll move on to the next section where it configures the sizes and colors. It'll tell you down here in the current status once it starts doing each section. Okay, so it's selecting the sizes. There we go, it's going to go on and select the colors there. It's going to put in the price. And it'll move on to the next section and it'll import all your brand, title and bullet point information. Now the software submits at a human speed, it doesn't go super fast. We do this so the software is safe to use and it's less errors when you're submitting. If you go too fast, the software can make errors, so it's better to be accurate. Once it's filled in that information, we'll move on to the final review the product detail page. It should submit as a draft. So you change to draft and we submitted that as a draft. Okay, now I've blurred out this section because it is actually showing my account. So once it's done that, it will move on to the next section, the next design, and it's off again. Now it's gone to upload the next design that's in the CSV file, and it will just keep running through all those designs until all your submissions, all your designs have been uploaded. Now if Merch happens to log you out at any point in time, the software will log you back in. That's why we make you log into your Merch account via this section here, so we can have a flawless run and upload hundreds if not thousands a day using this software quite easily. So I hope you enjoyed the video.